Nicola Sturgeon was left with her head in her hands after a brutal grilling from the Scottish Labour Party's leader Richard Leonard on Scotland's debt crisis. During First Minister's Questions, FMQs, the SNP leader was spotted holding her head in her hands as Richard Leonard called for action to combat child poverty in Scotland. The Scottish Labour Party leader added that the COVID-19 coronavirus pandemic means action needs to be urgent to help struggling families. Mr. Leonard said, "The Scottish deficit is around 9% of GDP. The UK is less than 3% of GDP, so there is a comparison to make that anybody reasonable and rational would want to make. Let me talk about something else that the First Minister spoke about, powering ahead. Let's power ahead on the question of child poverty, because today both the Children's Commissioner and the Chairman of the Poverty and Inequality Commission have united to call on the First Minister to bring forward an equivalent of the Scottish Child Payment. The Scottish Government have said that COVID makes this difficult, but COVID is what makes it urgent. If it is possible to rapidly introduce payments for businesses in need, surely it is possible to rapidly introduce payments to families and children in need." Ms. Sturgeon said in response, "Scotland is about to become the only country in the UK that has a Scottish child payment. We will start to take applications for that in November this year. No other government in the UK, including the Welsh Labour government, is getting anywhere near doing what we are doing to deliver what is being described by campaigners as a game-changer in child poverty." Scotland's First Minister also received a scathing grilling from former Scottish Conservative Party leader Ruth Davidson regarding coronavirus-related deaths in Scottish care homes. Ms. Davidson quizzed Scotland's First Minister regarding when she became aware that patients that had tested positive for COVID-19 were transferred into care homes from hospitals. The former Scottish Conservative leader added that Nicola Sturgeon was ducking the question, having failed to provide a satisfactory answer despite being asked about the issue on 4 separate occasions.